Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M22, and today I'll show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. So, at the first you have to simply open the settings. Next you have to go for the wallpaper. Here is lock screen and here is home screen. Right now you can pick wallpaper from my wallpapers, from the default wallpapers of the Samsung, from the gallery, or from wallpaper services. You can decide what you want to get. Let's check this one, the wallpaper services. As you can see, there's some kind of the dynamic lock screen. So let's see. Okay, let's pick maybe this one. Yeah, let's pick this one. Let's click apply, and we can, for example, download maybe animals. Click to download. As you can see, it's almost finished. So be patient and wait a little bit. And there it is, it's finished. So right now we can tap on it, just like that. It's selected right now with this marker. So let's see how it looks. Wait a minute, let's lock the screen again. So there it is, our lock screen wallpaper has changed, but for sure let's lock it another time and let's see. As you can see, it changed also. So that's how we can make it. As you can see, it works. That's how we can change your lock screen wallpaper. For example, for the dynamic wallpaper. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.